In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ClickUp AI not working error using a couple of simple but effective troubleshooting steps that often resolve the issue in just a few minutes. If ClickUp AI isn't loading, responding, or giving you errors when you try to use it, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually not permanent. We'll walk through exactly what to do, step by step, so you can get back to using ClickUp AI smoothly. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, the very first thing you should do when ClickUp AI is not working is to simply retry after a short wait. ClickUp AI relies on cloud servers, and sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. It could be due to temporary server overload, maintenance, or a short outage. If you see an error message, a loading issue, or the AI feature just doesn't respond, wait a few minutes and then try using ClickUp AI again. In many cases, the problem resolves itself once the servers stabilize. This is especially common during peak usage hours, when a lot of users are accessing ClickUp AI at the same time. If retrying later doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to refresh the page. This might sound simple, but it's one of the most effective fixes. Go ahead and refresh your browser tab where ClickUp is open. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon in your browser, or pressing Ctrl and R on Windows, or Command and R on a Mac. Refreshing reloads the ClickUp workspace and clears temporary glitches that may be preventing the AI feature from loading correctly. After the page reloads, navigate back to where you normally use ClickUp AI, such as in Tasks, Documents, or Comments, and try activating it again. If you're using ClickUp in multiple tabs, it's also a good idea to close any extra ClickUp tabs before refreshing. Multiple active sessions can sometimes cause conflicts that stop ClickUp AI from working properly. Just keep one tab open, refresh it, and test the AI feature again. If the issue still persists after refreshing once, try doing a full browser reload by closing the ClickUp tab completely and reopening it from scratch. This ensures the session is fully reset. In most cases, one of these two steps, retrying later or refreshing the page, is enough to fix the ClickUp AI not working error. These steps address the most common causes, including temporary bugs, server hiccups, and browser-related issues. Once ClickUp AI starts working again, you should be able to generate summaries, write content, and use all AI features as expected. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the ClickUp AI not working error quickly and easily. If this tutorial saved you time or solved your problem, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tips, software tutorials, and productivity fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.